Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today, I'm quite honored to share a new creature, a static CT. Before I explain how the static CT works, I will give you a short video.
Since its invention, CT has transformed human disease diagnosis. CT technology must continuously evolve to enhance diagnostic precision and empower doctors with more insights. However, the traditional CT, spiral CT, has reached the ceiling of evolution. The higher the rotation speed, the more motion blur. A spacecraft escapes Earth's gravity with just 5 g of acceleration, yet spiral CT's titanium bearings endure forces nearing 50 g, pushing material strength and heat dissipation to their limits. Rotational speed of spiral CT can't exceed 5 revolutions per second due to the G-force. Worse, increasing speed intensifies persistent motion blur in projection images, creating an enduring challenge. The future of CT lies in advancing 5 critical dimensions: spatial resolution, density resolution, temporal resolution, energy spectrum and phase contrast, all while reducing radiation doses. Nanovision unveils the world's only breakthrough solution, static CT. By replacing rotation with a 24-source X-ray matrix, it eliminates motion blur and delivers absolute clarity. Static CT pushes the boundaries of resolution, contrast, and precision, free from the constraints of rotation. Powered by its revolutionary design, static CT delivers 100 times more information with 50% less radiation. Unlike spiral CT, which requires countless projections, static CT reconstructs accurate anatomical structures with minimal views. Leveraging vast data sets and GPU-accelerated diagnostic algorithms, it recreates the true anatomical world, empowering doctors with precise, efficient clinical insights, elevating patient care to new heights. Looking ahead, static CT will achieve 65 micrometer spatial resolution and million-level density precision. With energy spectrum analysis, it will image human tissue at a histological level, identifying material composition and tracking specific tracer substances. Static CT isn't just better, it's the next generation, expanding CT's role in both diagnosis and pathology practices. Nanovision. See the unseen beyond vision.
The static CT can give us a lot of data, and that is really a big data. So we can directly use the AI analysis for the doctors to give a very accurate diagnosis. Because different kind mechanism, the traditional CT will spiral around our body very fast. Our doctor want to increase the spatial resolution, temporal resolution. But if the speed increased, the spatial resolution may be increased, but the temporal resolution will increase, but the spatial resolution will decrease because of the motion blur. And there is a limit of the spiral speed for the G-force. So to solve this problem, we replace the rotation by means of, we use 24 fixed X-ray source. And the X-ray expose in turn, so we can get very fast images and without G-force. And also, all the X-ray source and the detectors are fixed, so there's no motion blur. So each image is quite clear. And also, the X-ray is exposed pulsely, not continuously, so it can reduce the X-ray dose. So we use a lot of X-ray source and a lot of detectors. So people will ask whether the price may be higher. No, we can find that we have this kind of benefit. The first one is our radiation dose is much lower than the current CT. And the amount of the information we can get for doctors is much higher. It's about 140 times than the conventional CT. And the cost even lower, or same price, same cost as the conventional CT. And that's the current situation. And our static CT will increase our ability. So for the second generation of our static CT, we can give 6 times the information than now. And our third generation of static CT can give us 24 times the information than the current. That our current information is already 140 times than the conventional CT. So currently we have the component I-24, that means 24 X-ray source. This static CT can give us ultra-high resolution with 3D images. And the next generation of our static CT will use 33 X-ray source, and it gives us ultra-high resolution and video-like images. And then we design a component I-108. That means we use 108 X-ray source around the human body. So it can give us a microscope image without a biopsy. So this kind of images can help the pathology get the pathological images. Here is the pig lungs cells. Now, compared to different methods of review of current CT on the right, and the way static CT can give the doctor a real 3D images. This kind of image is quite useful for the surgeon. This kind of image is quite similar to the operation. During the operation, they find the anatomy, and the information is much bigger. The right one the left band, the conventional traditional CT image is only about 412 by 412 matrix. But our image is 3K by 3K. On the left one is the traditional spiral CT. This is the vertebral. In the center is a static CT. It's a very clear vertebral. And here is the 3D images. That is a benefit for the doctor to evaluate the operation. Now, we have nearly about 300 patents all over the world. And currently, we have a manufacturer fab. It will give us 500 units annually. And we are now start the Chinese Class 3 device approval. And now we will raise a D-round fund for commercialization. And now we have received top 100 hospitals order now. The market is quite huge. Annually, the CT market is about 12 billion annually. And our MDR is kick off, and the FDA breakthrough is kick off. And now we will start our FDA 510K. Okay. Thank you for your time.